myself and Jesse are in Atlantic Highlands, and what you're witnessing is Jesse told me that there are train tracks that lead to nowhere out this way. So we're going to check it out.
Train tracks that led all the way out to the highway. Boats and trains. Boats and trains.
Boats and trains. Boats and trains.
You know, boats and trains used to work.
Stop. Authorized vehicles only. So,
We're having a good time.
we are having a good time.
We're told.
Can't go any further than this because this sign right here, it says stop. Authorized vehicles only. Jesse says we're not vehicles, so we're allowed to go.
It's true. We are men.
But yeah, I always say if you're gonna go out and explore things and check things out, listen to the signs. We don't know.
Yeah, we'll just walk on back.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here. Down by my man.
Once I think of the word for items and produce and like things, goods, boats would bring goods in and they would unload them on the train.
Well, and fun fact, I know you can't see it because it's not here anymore, but looking down this way in the coastline, there used to be a fun town boardwalk. Did you know that?
I did know that.
Did I tell you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because I said
You might have told me that.
there was a place called Joyland, and it would bring up to 3,000 people a day from Manhattan here to enjoy the New Jersey coastline.
It's all on there.
So where are we off to next? We're gonna do something haunted?
I don't know. Yeah, let's go find some shenanigans and haunted shenanigans.
You know what's close by, and I think some people might have been following me who know this. There's a haunted laundromat not far from here where I had a sick story happen to me one day, and I'd like to bring you guys along.
Let's check it out.
Have you ever heard the story?
I may not have, but I'd like to hear it again, even if I did hear it.
It's fun. Come on, let's go.
Yay! So you did an investigation here at this laundromat?
No. You could look in this building and get the heebie-jeebies. I did some research on this building, and it has been many, many things. The oldest thing that I could find out that it was a post office, and I think that it was also some sort of mill where they stamp steel, because in the basement there's big heavy machinery that never got taken out because it probably was too heavy for anybody to move, and it's still down there. So while I was down there the first time, and I'm talking about 15, 16 years ago, I'm wiring the machines up, and I started to have a lot of weird thoughts come through my head, so much so that I got frightened out. And the only way that I can explain it to you is that I started having visions of like really not nice things, like murder scene, like angry things, and I didn't know what it was, and it really freaked me out. So I ran up the stairs, which are located in the back of the building here, ran through here and out to the van that was parked right out here on the street, and I told my boss that I wasn't going back inside. And he said, well, why not? And I said, 'cause this place is haunted. And I didn't really have a firm grasp on what that really meant at the time, but I knew that there was something inside the building, and it didn't want me there. So I left, and I didn't go back down. Fast forward many years, and on the same street down the road, there's a movie theater, and I had a very crazy thing happen there, and then that brought me back here. So we went and did an investigation with the PARS team, and we caught some really cool EVPs down in the bay. I didn't feel any more at ease the second time than I did the first time. So Jesse's standing here at this building after hearing a little bit of that kind of story. What do you think about this place?
I mean, it looks old the way it is now. I can't even imagine the history that's been going on in these walls. And I know that movie theater too. That movie theater is very old too.
looked like a movie. And some people have asked, what do you see when you're watching these things? Do I see it with my eyes? No, not normal. What I do is I see it in my mind. And what it appears to have happened is there was some sort of confrontation in this spot right here. Somebody was pushed up against the wall, and it looks as though a knife was pushed into this person's sternum. And whoever did it had no fear of being caught. It must have been a very quiet time, unlike right now with all this traffic going back and forth. And interestingly enough, there's a lot of windows here, and I don't think that they were afraid. Where are we?
With the world famous Quick Stop. Jay and Silent Bob style. Standing in front of the Quick Stop.
Scott, right?
Yeah, you got my $15, little man.
So Jesse and I decided that since we're another type of dynamic duo from right here in Middletown, New Jersey, that we should probably come over here and end the vlog at the world famous Quick Stop, made famous by Kevin Smith and his movie Clerks and Clerks 2. So here we are. We're gonna hang out and finish this up. Quite possibly one of the most famous yellow signs in the world. I could really go for a Gatorade.
Yeah. Wow. No Gatorade.
Why not? He's got a Gatorade.
Because you're a freeloader.
It's not nice. So let's take a little walk up.
You got Mentos.
I don't want Mentos. There we are.
If you have a Gatorade, you can go
So this is a pretty fun night. It wasn't very long, but we did get to talk about a little bit of the local history. Maybe ran into some paranormal stuff that we're going to have to check out. We avoided a little bit of traffic, but not for long because this is New Jersey and nobody ever goes to sleep around here. Smile and
yeah,
wave,
it's like a weekday
boys.
night.
Smile and wave.
Oh, this girl.